Hello guys and welcome to another video, and today in this video we are going to try to do money per second. The variable down here. So let's get on with the video. So let's go to choose a new sprite that looks like a cat. Go to paint, and then let's customize it with the red box, like that, like that, like that. Let's put it actually in the corner this time. This corner, right down here. And then you want to make some texts. Change it. You want to make text that says money per sec helper. And then you want to do cost of, I'm just going to say 100. Easy cost, easy go. Wait, I forgot one thing. Let's go money per sec plus 1. I forgot to put that on the Sprite 3. I'm so sorry about that. Now let's go like this. It's super small. Hopefully we can see it. People can see that, I hope. And then let's go to our codes. Let's grab an event. One flag click. One flag clicked. One sprite clicked. When I receive close. When I receive open. So change one to open. Change one to close. Ta-da! Let's go to looks. Let's grab when flag clicked hide, when I receive open shop show, when I receive close shop hide, and then if statement, go to operators, grab a greater than again, put 99. I told you last video, just trust me. Go to variables, grab money, and then grab two changes. Change money by -100. Change money per sec by 1. Wait, give me a second. I need to look at something. Okay. So you want to grab, this is a tricky part. When this forever, variables, change money by money per cent, and then wait 1 second. So I think that means that if we, oh shoot, dang it. If we just grab $100, I will be right back. Okay, I am so sorry. I just needed to get to 100. And then if we buy this, good. It should be working for years. Okay, let's go. Did not see that coming. So, what this code means is when you buy this sprite, this code right here, when you buy this sprite, you want to put a forever statement in here from controls, and then each second it will each second it will give you $1. If you just keep buying them, it'll give you like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, as many dollars as you want. So yeah, that's kind of it for this video. So sorry, but I think next video we are going to do some like actual like stores instead of like we're gonna do like a store and stuff. Think like not like shop, like there's gonna be like a tab over here, so like it's gonna be 4 of these and then 4 of these and then no. I'm so sorry, but we might need to move the where's the exit button. So let's just zoom out. Dang it. Nope. Let's move it down in the middle. Let's move it actually 0, 0. Now we might have to move the whole thing right in the middle. So 0, 0 is middle. So then we can put some stuff up here, like anything you want. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. And please like this video. If we get to 3 likes, then I will do part 5. I think that is. I don't know. This was a really long video. Just please subscribe, hit the notifications, and peace out.